Hi, Evan. Hi, Professor Walnut.
Hey, doctor.
And can you share with us how you met, what happened, and 2 years ago, or 3 years?
3 years ago.
3 years ago.
Yeah.
Okay. Professor Walnut.
Sure, yeah. I had been having vision issues. I had heard about, acupuncture being a possible solution for, getting rid of my blind spot. I have glaucoma. And so I had gone to this clinic in New Jersey, and that was probably my second visit. I had gone once, and I'd gone for I think a week. I did not see much improvement, but everyone knows that with traditional systems it takes time, or it might take time to see effects. So I went back. I think it was my second visit there. I had again gone for a week. I had not seen much improvement in the first few days, and I met Evan in the waiting room of the clinic. And he was saying that he was in that waiting room only because he could not travel to Canada. And so that was intriguing to me, and I said, what do you mean by that? And he said, I'll tell you. Let's take a walk. And he told me how he was able to walk without a cane. He was almost needing a white cane earlier, and he had been going to Dr. Yu's clinic for a while now. But this was, the time that we were meeting was just after the pandemic. It was probably 2022. There were still travel restrictions in place, and so he could not travel to Canada, and that's why he was there. And that basically was, so I took the Dr. Yu's address from him, and then I started coming here. And the very first visit, I think within the first half an hour, I was seeing a change as opposed to, 2 weeks of therapy there.
So you saw your first change after half hour.
Yeah.
What's the change?
So I think I came, you immediately asked me to read the chart, and you asked me to sit down, gave me the magic tea, and I drank that, and then I settled down in my chair, and I had not even read the first article that I was reading on my phone, and you said, let's test again. And I thought, this is nonsense. I mean, I barely finished it, but I could read one more line. So that completely blew my mind.
How fast it is.
Yes.
So, Evan,